Hey everyone, Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo Cinema feels like one of the most imaginative entries in the Instax lineup to date, blending instant photography with a playful nod to early filmmaking. At first glance, it stands apart from other instant cameras thanks to its unmistakable Super 8-inspired design. The textured body, mechanical-style controls, and prominent print lever give it a tactile, almost nostalgic personality that feels intentional rather than gimmicky. What truly sets Mini Evo Cinema apart is its ability to record short video clips alongside still photos. This hybrid approach is something rarely seen in the instant camera world, and Fujifilm leans into it confidently. Switching between photo and video modes is straightforward thanks to a physical slider, which reinforces the camera's analog-inspired charm while keeping operation simple. Video clips are recorded vertically and can last up to 15 seconds, making them feel more like moving snapshots than traditional videos. One of the more intriguing features is how the camera bridges the gap between physical prints and digital video. When a still image is printed from a recorded clip, the camera adds a QR code to the photo. Scanning that code with a smartphone brings up the original video, effectively turning the printed Instax photo into a gateway to motion. You can also reinsert the print into the camera itself to view the associated clip. This clever interaction between print and playback gives the Mini Evo Cinema a storytelling angle that feels fresh and surprisingly modern, despite its retro styling. The camera's rear display is small, but Fujifilm offers a viewfinder adapter that transforms it into a more traditional electronic viewfinder experience. The included hand grip further enhances stability and comfort, especially when recording video, making the overall package feel more thoughtfully designed than many novelty-focused instant cameras. Creativity is at the heart of the Mini Evo Cinema, and nowhere is that clearer than with the distinctive Era dial. Marked with decades ranging from the 1930s to the 2020s, this dial lets you apply filters designed to evoke the visual character of each period. Rather than simply adjusting colors, the camera attempts to recreate the mood and imperfections associated with footage from those eras. While results will naturally be subjective, the concept itself encourages experimentation and playful exploration, particularly for users who enjoy vintage aesthetics or cinematic storytelling. Printing photos is handled through a fold-out dial on the side of the camera, which must be turned manually to produce a print. This action feels satisfying and deliberate, echoing the mechanics of older cameras and reinforcing the idea that printing is a creative choice rather than an automatic step. The Mini Evo Cinema also works seamlessly with Fujifilm's smartphone app, allowing users to print images taken on their phone or another camera, which adds flexibility and broadens its appeal beyond just on-device shooting. The Instax Mini Evo Cinema is set to debut in Japan on January 30th, with global pricing and availability still unconfirmed. Overall, this camera feels less like a standard instant shooter and more like a creative tool for those who enjoy blending nostalgia with modern digital conveniences. It won't appeal to everyone, especially those seeking technical specs or high-resolution video, but for users who value design, tactile controls, and playful storytelling, the Instax Mini Evo Cinema offers a genuinely distinctive experience. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this camera? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.